Starting with a bare-type homes or units, you're not alone. Some homeowners feel stuck on where to begin creating a good interior design. This isn't just a concept, it's a real home redesign for one of our subscribers, featuring modern, minimalist-inspired interiors. This is our 68th project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, where redesigned the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Now, let's start with the living area. This space originally had bare concrete walls, unfinished floors, and a metal ceiling, but even in this condition, it had great potential. So, let's design it. In this layout, the living area sets the tone for the rest of the interior and offers direct access from the entry. It features two zones that function as the main areas for seating and entertainment. For this modern minimalist interior, you can use a neutral palette, white, gray, black, and light wood. But to add a pop of color, sage green was included. Here's exactly how you can design this living area. Start with a tray ceiling featuring indirect cove lighting around the edges, creating a warm and cozy glow. Also, recessed pin lights were installed along the drop-down ceiling to provide even illumination. Then the walls were finished in smooth off-white paint, giving the space a clean and soft minimalist feel. For the flooring, you can use light gray matte tiles. They help make the space feel larger and more open, so everything feels polished yet soft to the eyes. Now select well-matched pieces. First, chose a modular L-shaped sectional sofa priced at $500, styled with pillows and a blanket in varied tones. It's comfortable, spacious, and defines the seating area. But to keep the layout light, you can use a black-framed glass nesting coffee table. It keeps the center of the room visually open. Underneath, a flat weave rug brings soft texture and balances the harder surfaces. Now, the accent pieces. A black metal-framed side table keeps the room balanced while offering just enough function. Then, on the right side, a curved lounge chair with a throw brings in a soft olive tone, perfect for minimalist layering, and a round upholstered ottoman provides both contrast and flexibility in use. Once the main furniture is in place, a minimal decor items can be added for display. Next, for the window treatment, layer sheer and blackout drapes to ensure balanced lighting both day and night. One standout feature in this living area is the modern geometric pendant light, which provides stylish and effective lighting. Moving on to the area under the stairs, that was transformed into a media wall covered with vertical slatted panels. Then, a white marble look surface with light gray veining was added as a backdrop for your smart TV. Below, a floating minimalist console was added to keep the area looking lighter and more modern. For additional storage and display, a built-in cabinetry with open shelving was included, keeping the look minimalist but not empty. For the final touch, LED strip lighting highlights textures and objects and enhances the wall's depth and layers. Lastly, a single tall potted indoor plant softens the media wall and fills the space naturally, adding a fresh, organic touch that balances the clean lines of the design. So now, what started as a bare concrete shell is now a cozy, minimalist living room that feels designed, not just decorated. If you love this style, you'll find links to similar furniture in the description below. This space started as a bare concrete area, with a half-height concrete partition that closed off the layout. But could we transform it into a cozy, minimalist space? The dining area is now placed at the center, next to the living area. It allows efficient circulation between daily activities like relaxing and eating, while also supporting social interaction. Let's begin. If you notice, the half-height concrete partition was removed and replaced with a slatted wood divider combined with a niche tall enough to create a sense of privacy without blocking light. Next, to avoid the space feeling too plain or cold, you can add vertical wood slats to the wall for added texture and warmth. Now for the main pieces, you can choose an oval dining table with a quartz marble top, minimal yet elegant, where you can get it for around $150. This is paired with 6 curved dining chairs upholstered in gray fabric, offering comfort without making the space feel crowded. Even with everything set, something still feels missing, right? That's where small details above table and shelves come in, along with a single large-scale abstract artwork. Add softness and form, perfectly aligned with minimalist principles. Then, you can add indoor plants to bring in a natural, organic touch to the dining space. Lastly, above the dining table, Three cone-shaped pendant lights provide focused lighting and add a bold visual element. Now, let's talk about the opposite wall. Soft gray panels with a fabric-like texture were installed, combined with slim lightwood slats on the left side to frame the area. Next, a two-tone sideboard made of wood and black laminate offering storage for dining essentials and acting as a stylish statement piece. On the wall above it, a large abstract artwork in neutral tones adds a focal point without overpowering the calm design. For added style, two white ceramic vases bring height variation and sculptural interest. To finish the look, a soft glow orb lamp and indirect LED lighting around the artwork add a warm and cozy ambiance. This transformation proves that minimalism isn't about doing less, it's about doing just enough with clarity and purpose. Before we continue, we want to sincerely thank our YouTube members for their continued support. Let's start. When it comes to the finishes, they match those in the previous area, from the flooring to the ceiling, creating a cohesive look. You can now use a linear layout along one wall. One of the standout features is the countertop, a black marble look finish that feels luxurious yet remains durable for daily use. It contrasts beautifully with the muted olive green base cabinets. The clean lines keep the look tidy, so everything feels intentional. Next, the sink and cooktop are integrated into the layout with proper placement for ease of use. For added storage, a flat, frameless upper cabinet with an open shelf section offers both function and a designer touch. Here's something highly effective: the full marble look backsplash. It runs continuously from the countertop to the cabinet, giving the space a seamless, high-end feel. There's still some extra space on the side, where a custom full-height open cabinet with a pantry niche at the top can be added. This is where you can place a refrigerator, compact and tucked in neatly, keeping the layout clean and uninterrupted. To add personality, a simple accents like glass jars, utensils, and a bit of greenery can make a big difference. Finally, for lighting, you can use under-cabinet LED strips, ideal for both task lighting and ambiance. This makes the kitchen look great and feel inviting no matter the time of day. This transformation isn't just about style, it's about making every inch functional and meaningful. And that's how you can transform this space into a practical and beautiful kitchen. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.